Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sunny Mdlalose. Uh, this is a beautiful day, and I just want to give you guys another trading tip based on volume. I know this is actually my second video on volume. I have posted a video before explaining exactly how I use volume. Right, this is the second video that I'm posting now, showing you exactly how I use volume to trade. Alright, I'll say this up front, guys. A lot of things that are said out there about volume, it's actually not true. I know you go online, you'll hear people saying, you know what, volume is inaccurate on MetaTrader, or volume is inaccurate on normal MetaTrader for trading platforms, but that's not true. You know what, a lot of time the gospel preached out there is there to actually make people go the wrong way. You know what I mean? Yeah, I've said whatever I've said. I know it sounds very controversial, but yeah, it is what it is. I won't go deep into that, but yes, let me actually go on with the business of the day. Right, so I've highlighted a couple of areas here on this chart, all right, that can show you exactly the market footprint or the smart money footprint. Some people ask me, is it that simple? Yes, it is that simple, but at the end of the day, remember, forex is psychological more than technical. So this is the first trade that you could have taken based on volume. Right. Oops, missed it by just a few pips. Right. Unfortunately, this one, you missed this trade by just a few pips, but let me explain. As you can see, this arrow, this vertical line that I've drawn here, and you can see here there were high volumes. The volumes were low here, there they started rising, then serious volumes there. As you can see, the value was 67.29. That's high volume area. And then what happened after that? The price dropped. So the clue is, we had the volume rising, right? But the price dropped after that. That's very important to understand. We had price rising, right, and the volume rising, but the price dropped after that. It means the smart money were using this buying phase or this buying area, right, from the retail traders to sell against them. Why am I saying that? Because we can clearly see where there was high volumes, there was also a buy, which means this guy were not buying, they were selling against retail traders or uninformed traders. That's why the price came back into that very same zone again. Yeah, it's missed it by just a few pips, and then it started going back down. Right, if I go back a little bit back as well, you can clearly see again here, right, ultra high volumes right there. That is insane volumes, 81, 82. That's very high volumes. But also the clue is the volume went up, but the price dropped after that. That is the clue that we need as traders, right? So now that we know that the price went down after the volume rose, we know that this is a selling area, not buying, selling area. This one was a perfect trade, right to the pip. Went up, I think, only 1 pip above the zone, and went down again. Right, rewind again. We're looking at this zone. Volume rose, and volume rose right on that level, and the price started rising. This is now important. The volume started rising, but the price went up now, not down. So now I identify where there was a high volumes. Here we go. Maybe got a fail, maybe not, because it came right to that zone right there, right to the pip, and it touched that zone, and you had a buying phase. Okay, and we're looking at a possible trade. The date today is the 25th of January 2017, and we can see also here there was a big rise of price. Remember, number one is price action, number two is the volume, right? Number one is price action, number two is the volume. So if I come to this zone there, right, again, crazy again, you because banks know these things. That's why here they started buying, because banks know what? No, this was a high volume zone, and there was big buyers in this zone. That's why you see yesterday the price nearly touched that level, got a rejection, came back down. The price is actually going up a little bit. Whether it's going to continue to go up already, I don't know. But already the fact that it has reacted here, it means already there are some buyers that have already stepped in. That's why it's causing this low test bar, or other people call them pin bars. You know what? It's a pin bar, because here we know there was high volume, and also the price went up after the high volume. 2 clues only, right? 2 clues. There was high volume, the price went up. Yes, I do have softwares that show me exactly which bar to look for and stuff, but unfortunately it's softwares that are actually private that I cannot show on this free video. All I'm doing, guys, here is I'm showing you exactly what to look out for. I know this was a high volume zone also. Yes, as well, I can see my my volume arrow, sorry, see that buy area right there showed me that there was high volumes in that particular zone as well. It showed me that someone big stepped up in here. These are private software, as I said. And yeah, but guys, these are free videos. As I always say, that, you know what, I try to give people free tips, but guys, hang in there. One day I might actually show you these things in real time and teach you these things in real time. Unfortunately, now I'm not in the teaching business, but maybe one day, you know what, by the grace of God, I will be able to go out there and say, you know what, these are my classes, come and attend. But for now, I'm actually not in the teaching business. That's why I'm giving you these free tips. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. As I always say, share this video with your friend. Share this video with your fellow traders, guys. I'm serious about it. Let's make these videos go viral. Let's go make these videos go wild, because other people will benefit from watching these free tips, and it will change their trading. Does that make sense? It will definitely change their trading. So I always share this video with your friend, share it with your mentor. Yes, you might learn a thing too from Sunny. Share this video with your cousin. Share this video in your trading room. Try these things in real time in your trading room and see if they do not work. I challenge you to do that. Yes, I challenge you. Try these techniques. Watch this video 1,000 times. Rewind, keep on watching and rewinding and watching and rewinding and watching and rewinding until you understand exactly what I mean. Right, guys, I've gave it all. In this particular video, I didn't hold anything back. I've given you everything. Right. Please follow me. My Facebook page is Thamsanqa Sanimdlalose. Thamsanqa Sanimdlalose. And you can also follow me on Twitter at Sanimdlalose. I'm also on Instagram. It's TS Mdlalose. Right. Stay blessed. Sanimdlalose. I'm out.